Listing on the stock exchange, even in Uganda, is mostly for large corporate companies. There is, however, a platform, the alternative investment market, that is supposed to facilitate presence of small and medium enterprises on the securities exchange. 2 years after launch, not much has happened, but the USE management has made some promises to that effect to be delivered by the end of 2011.
We see the companies that will be active in supporting the petroleum sector will require a set of rules to enable them to list, a different set of rules to enable them to list. So there's sector issues that we have to take into account, while taking into account the size issues as well. So capitalization is a question, which sector is also a question that we have to look at, and even the time that company will take to move from the alternative market to the main market. So right now, I have to say that it's inactive because of those changes that we are making.
Meanwhile, inflation, while a worry to some business people, others are more optimistic, calling the current tight economic situation at most temporary and that cannot overshadow growth prospects.
I would say that there has been a welcoming environment for the investors immediately after elections, because I distinctly remember talking to many of the investors. They were waiting for the elections to be over, and they have come out with several projects, and we are also in discussions with them. There can be some setback here and there for small and there, but largely people have envisaged interest into this country, and it is.
Bank of Baroda registered a 27.5% profit growth from 16.7 billion shillings to 21.3 billion shillings in 2010. Samuel Setumba, NTV Business.